Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmut, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Madhya Bihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we know about the great Indian scientist Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose biography. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose, CSI, CIE, FRS, was a biologist, botanist, and an early writer of science fiction. He pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics and made significant contributions to the plant science and laid the foundations of experimental science in the Indian subcontinent. Then, plant research. Bose conducted most his studies in plant research on Mimosa pudica and Desmodium plants. Brief history of Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose, born 30th November 1858, Bikrampur, died 23 November 1937 at age 78, and alma mater Xavier College, Calcutta, Christ's College, Cambridge, and University College London, BSc and DSc. Known for millimeter waves, radio, crystallograph, contributions to plant biology, crystal radio, and crystal detector. Spouse Abala Bose. Awards: Companion of the Order of the Indian Empire, CRE 1903. Companion of the Order of the Star of India, CSI 1911. Next one is Knight Bachelor 1917. And fields: physics, biophysics, biology, and botany. And in institutions: University of Calcutta, University of Cambridge, University of London. Academic advisors: John Strout. Notable students: Satyendranath Bose, Meghand Saha, and Prashant Chandra, Sisir Kumar Mitra, Dipendra Mohan Bose. His major contribution in field of biophysics was the demonstration of the electrical nature of the conduction of various stimuli, example wounds, chemical agents in plants, which earlier. Jagdish Chandra Bose was in Bengali Kaishant family in Munchigani, Bikrampur, Bengal Presidency, present day Bangladesh, on 30th November 1858. Jagdish Chandra Bose, father Bhagwan Chandra Bose, was a leading member of the Brahmos Sami and worked as a deputy magistrate and assistant commissioner in Faridar, Bradman, and other places. Bose's education started in a vernacular school because his father believed that one's own mother tongue before being English, and that one should know also one's own people. Speaking at the Bikrampur conference in 1915, Bose said, the Scottish theoretical physicist James Clerk Maxwell mathematically predicted the existence of electromagnetic radiation of diverse wavelengths, but he died in 1878 before his prediction was experimentally verified. Legacy: Sir J.C. Bose's place in history has now been re-evaluated. His work may have contributions to the development of radio communication. He is also credited with discovering millimeter length electromagnetic waves and being a pioneer in the field of biophysics. Many instruments are still on display and remain largely usable now over 100 years later. Then honors. First one is on 14 September 2012, Bose experimental work in millimeter band radio was recognized as an IEEE milestones in electrical and computer engineering, the first such recognition in India. Second one is on 30th November 2016, Bose was celebrated in a Google Doodle on on the 158th anniversary of his birth. Third one is the Bank of England has decided to redesign the 50 UK pound currency note with an eminent scientist. Fourth one is Sir J.C. Bose University of Science and Technology YMCA named in his honor. Fifth one is Companion of the Order of the Indian Empire CIE 1903. Sixth one is Companion of the Order of the Star of the India CSI 1912. Knight Bachelor in 1917. Eighth one is Fellow of the Royal Society FRS 1920. Ninth one is Member of the Veena Academy of Sciences in 1928. 10th one is President of the 14th session of the Indian Science Congress in 1927. 11th one is Member of Finnish Society of Science and Letters in 1929. And 12th one is Member of the League of Nations Committee of Intellectual Cooperation from 1924 to 1931. 13. Funding Fellow, the National Institute of Science of India, now Indian National Science Academy. 14th. The Indian Botanic Garden was renamed in his honor as the Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden on 25th June 2009. Then publications. Journals. Nature published about 27 papers. Bose JC 1902 on electromotive wave accompanying mechanical distribution in metals in contact with electrolyte. Books. First one is Response in the Living and Non-Living 1902. Second one is Plant Response as a Means of Physiological Investigation 1906. Third one is Comparative Electrophysiology, a physico and physiological study 1907. Fourth one is Researches on Irritability of Plants 1913. Life Movements in Plants Volume 1, first published in 1918 and reprinted in 1985. Life Movements in Plants Volume 2, 1919. Seventh one is Physiology of Ascent of Sap 1923. Eighth one is The Physiology of Photosynthesis 1924. Ninth one is The Nervous Mechanism of Plants 1926. 10th one is Plant Autographs and Their Relations 1927. 11th one is Growth and Trophic Movements of Plants 1929. Last one is Motor Mechanism of Plants in 1928. Thank you friends. We meet in the next video.